Creating a paid membership site and sell courses is not as hard as you may think. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way how to create a membership site. For example, like this one here, you can sell different membership levels. Currently, I have created 2. Or you can sell courses. For example, if you open it up, you'll see the course overview. If you want to join, then you can do it here. You can add your own coupon code. For example, WPSH20, let's apply. And you'll see it's €10 off. When you purchase the membership, then you can access all the paid content. For example, since I purchased gold membership, I can access this course and this course. But if I need to purchase something separately, I can do it here. Setting this up is really easy, and now I'm going to show you how to do that. The plugin I'm going to use in this video is called Paid Memberships Pro, but don't be scared of the name because they have a really generous free version, this one here. As you see, the plugin allows you to create unlimited restricted content, unlimited membership levels and members, and you'll have an option to create free or paid registrations. Take a look at this info here. And what else? You'll get access to 24 free add-ons. In a minute, I'm going to show you what are the add-ons. But there is also an option to purchase a pro version. Those are the current prices at the moment. And if you wonder what are the features of this plugin, then take a look at this menu here. Let's take a look at the plugin features. So you can restrict and sell access to any content. You can restrict custom post types. You can add content dripping options. You can create directories and profiles. You can offer personalized content and so on. And what is even more awesome is that you can manage every aspect of your membership site. So this is the plugin I'm going to use in this video. Now let's take a look at the add-ons. There are free add-ons. Scroll them through. I'm going to use these courses for membership free add-on to create courses. But there are BuddyBoss integrations, MailChimp, Slack integration, WooCommerce integration, all for free. If we talk about integrations, then you'll see that those are the current integrations. For example, BBPress, events for members only, download monitor, Google Analytics, and so on and so forth. Once again, a long list of integrations. I'm going to put the link to the plugin in the video description, but at the meantime, let's go to my site and let's install the plugin. And after installation, you'll see there is a membership menu on the left and onboarding screen appears. First, what type of membership sites are you creating? I'm going to create a site with courses. Yes, I want the plugin to generate the required pages. And yes, I will be collecting payments for memberships. I'm going to submit and continue. Next, my currency is euro, and I'm going to set up the payments later. Next step, it asks whether I would like to create membership levels from this wizard, and I can set up more membership levels with additional settings later. Well, let's create a paid membership level. Level name is silver. It's €59 per year. Submit and continue. Under the advanced settings, we'll see that there is an option to install Update Manager. Yes, we're going to install it. Next one, filter searches and archives. First option, yes, only members will see the restricted posts pages in searches and archives. And other one, no, non-members will see. We'll select no, non-members will see the restricted posts and pages. And next one, show excerpts to non-members, no or yes. I'm going to say yes. And it's because I need this text to be displayed for non-members, because showing excerpts and including members only content in archives and search means that I can show non-members a small teaser of what the membership will include. Next, block all users with a subscriber role from accessing the dashboard. That is the WP admin area. Yes, I'm going to block that. And I'm also going to block the toolbar from all users with a subscriber role. And what is the toolbar? Toolbar is this one on top here. I'm going to hide it for the subscriber roles. Next, submit and continue. Now I need to install a courses add-on. Therefore, I'm going to click on view available add-ons and I'm going to search for courses. This one here. Let's install it and let's activate it. It says activated, but once again, under the membership, there is an add-ons menu. You'll see all the add-ons here and just install the one you need and done. One more thing I would like to point out about add-ons is that if you take a look at any add-on, for example, BootyPress or BBPress or whatever it is, I'm going to select MailChimp as an example. If I click on the link here, it will open up the documentation page. You can read about the integration itself and what it does for you. If you scroll down, you'll see that besides the regular text, there is also a video demo and explanation. So it's a really useful stuff if you want to know what any of these add-ons does for you. Okay, now when this is done, let's go to the settings page and let's break it down what happens here. First, levels. I have silver level. Let's add another level. Annual, for example. Let's name it gold. If needed, I can add description and confirmation message or membership account message. Billing details, initial payment 79 euros. It's a recurring subscription and billing amount is 79 per year. Billing cycle limit. I can add the total number of recurring billing cycles, but I'm not going to do that. I can activate the custom trial period if needed, and I can protect access to post pages and content sections here. Those are the post pages and content sections. Under the other settings, you can disable new signups. I'm not going to do that, so let's save the level, and this way you can create all sorts of levels here. Next one, discount codes. If you need to create discount codes, you can do it here. For example, let's add a code WPSH20, start date, expiration date, for example, December 19th. Total limit of users 10. I can limit also per user. And which levels this code applies. It applies to silver and for gold both. With this code, silver level is 49 and gold is 69. Let's save the code and done. Next we have pages, and those are automatically created pages. But you can create your own pages and set them up here. For example, if you want the account page to be something else, then just choose it here. Now, since we're already talking about pages, here's a nifty trick for you. Go to the pages, all pages, add any page you have here, and you'll see there is a require membership meta box. If I select any of these memberships and save it, when I open it up, I'm logged in, it says membership required. So in order to see the site content, I have to sign up to the membership. Now the same goes with the posts. Let's go and open up a post. If you want to put any post behind the paywall, then this is a way to go. You can also do the same with the categories, products, and so on and so forth. So, nifty trick. But let's go back to the settings and payments. Under the payments, let's set up the payment gateway. Currently the payment gateway is testing only, but we're gonna select the pay by check as a default payment gateway. Gateway environment, live production or sandbox testing. Save it. Down below here you can add your Stripe connections and PayPal connections. Under the security, you'll see some spam protection options, reCAPTCHA options, and some other security options. Under the email settings, you can configure from email, from name, connect it to send WP if needed. There is also an email templates option. You can customize your email templates here. For example, let's open checkout paid. You can disable it and customize the content here. Next one, user fields. You can add the custom fields and select which membership level uses these fields. Under the design, you can select a style variation for your front-end membership pages. This one, or this one. I'm gonna select, well, actually, I'm gonna leave the default as it is. Some color options also here. Under the advanced, some restrict dashboard access options, content searches, your business details, and other settings here. Now, under the members, you'll see all the subscribed members. This is the order pages. Here you can see all the subscriptions, reports, add-ons, and your license. That's basically it. Now let's create a course. You'll see there is a courses menu here and course settings here. Basically, if you click on the course settings, this one here and this one here are the same. So course settings, default option is that the course and lesson post types are bundled with paid membership pro courses. You can enable archive page for default courses custom post type. If you're using Lifter LMS, LearnDash, Sensei LMS or Tutor LMS plugins, then you can integrate these with the courses module, but I don't use it. I'm going to create a simple courses page. So nothing else to configure here. Instead, I'm going to go to the courses and I'm going to add a new course. As a demo, I'm going to create only one course, but you can create course categories and add different categories here. I'm going to create a course called WordPress for Beginners. Let's add a content here for introduction, some lists also. Next, I'm going to open up the course page, set the course featured image. Let's choose this one here, set course featured image, and now require membership. Since I want to make this course to be a paid course, I can choose either both of these or only one of these. I'm going to restrict it only to the gold membership level. Now if you scroll down, there is a add lessons option. Since I haven't created any lessons, there is nothing to be added here. And this means let's go to the lessons page here, all lessons. Nothing to see here, so let's add a new lesson. We're gonna name it installation. Now let's add some text. Let's add an image here. And featured image. Set it here, publish. Oh, next I need to connect it to the course. So I'm gonna select the course here, WordPress for Beginners. Let's save it and let's add another lesson. This time it's called WordPress settings. Once again, let's add some text, featured image. Select the course, publish. And for the sake of the example, I'm gonna add another one here. This time it's called How to Use Gutenberg Editor. By now you already know the drill. Let's add some text and connect it to the course. Set the featured image. Publish and done. Now let's go to the courses and just to verify whether everything works. There is a WordPress for Beginners. You'll see I have added all these lessons to the course. If you need to edit or remove, then you can do it here. If you click edit, then you can change the order. For example, maybe I want this installation to be third chapter of this module, then select 3, save, and now it's here. Although this is also number 3, so let's edit this one and add order 4. Let's change it back. I need this to be number 1, so done. Let's save it. Let's view the course. And as you see, currently it says, oops, that page can't be found. But it's easy to fix. Go to the settings, permalinks, scroll down, save settings, view your course page, and there it is. There's the course with the description. It says gold member required. If I open it up in a private view, you'll see that there is no access to the lessons. If I'm logged in, then I can access the lessons. This is the lesson here. Next lesson. I can also mark it to complete. Let's do that. It automatically marks it as completed. Next lesson. Back to the course page and you'll see this here is marked as completed. If you're a logged out user, then you can click on Join Now button. It says that you have selected gold membership level. The price for a membership is 79 euros per year. Let's add a discount code we created before. That is WPSH20. Apply. Now it says 69 euros, so it works. Let's create an account. For example, username John Wick. Add a password. Confirm it. Email address john@mailinator.com. Let's confirm the address. Submit and check out. It says processing. And now it says, thank you for your membership to this site. Your gold membership is now active. This is the order information. Now if I go to the courses page, there's a course I signed up for, and these are the lessons. Now let's go to the admin view, go to the memberships, subscriptions, and you'll see John Wick has subscribed. $79 per year. Under the orders, we'll see all the order information. Open it up, and these are the details. Now a couple of other things we need to do, and that is, let's add some pages here. So I'm gonna go to the appearance, menus. I'm using the Blocksy theme, that is, I'm gonna create a mega menu. I already added a heading here, membership and orders, therefore I'm gonna add billing information, cancel, orders, your profile, and membership account pages here. Let's add it to the menu. This one goes here. Also membership, billing, option to cancel. I'm gonna allow to see all the orders. This one goes here. Next one is related to the profile. I'm gonna add this one here and this one here. Although it seems to me that I need a heading, therefore custom links, and your account is gonna be the heading here. I'm gonna drag it here. Those are gonna be the submenus. Let's verify that this one is set as heading. No, it's not, so I'm gonna save it. Save the menu. Now I'm gonna refresh the page, and I'm logged in as a John Wick, so there's my account page, orders page, billing information is here, edit profile, change password, looks really nice. And if I need to cancel my membership, then just click here, click on cancel. Yes, cancel this membership, and done. View your membership account, and there it is. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now this one here is just an example, and I would not suggest you to add all the pages to the menus. Just keep it very simple, because the membership account page is the central hub and everything else can be accessed from here. Otherwise, for example, let's open up this billing link in a private window. You'll see it redirects to the login page, and adding these pages here for non-logged in users to see, there is no point for it. Just add membership account, log in, log out, and you're good to go. This way you can create as many paid courses or content behind the paywall as you like. I went ahead and created 2 additional courses, and as you see, this one is for silver and gold level members, and this one is only for silver level members. Now when I open up the courses page, you'll see they are all here, and you can sell them as you like. Now a couple of other things. If we go to the pages, I'm going to open up a sample page here. Let's take a look at the blocks that came with the plugin. Let's scroll down. Where do we see them? Well, there it is. So, paid memberships pro blocks. You can add checkout button, checkout form, display membership levels and pricing table. You can add login form. This here is a content visibility form. If you add it here, then every block you add inside this block, you can customize the visibility of this block, whether to show this to all members, specific membership levels, or logged in users only. Also, you can customize whether to show the no access message here. Okay, what else do we have here? You have my courses block. You can display all courses. And these are the pages here, confirmation page, orders page, and so on and so forth. Also another nifty feature. Okay, I'm gonna close it down, and that's basically it. So as you saw, creating a simple membership site with different levels and sell courses with the help of it is really easy with a paid memberships pro plugin. As I mentioned earlier, the free version is already really awesome. You'll get access to core plugin and 29 free add-ons. And if you need more, then you can purchase the premium version, whether it's standard plus or plus with hosting. Now the team behind the Paid Memberships Pro is the same team which is behind the popular Lifter LMS plugin. If you haven't heard of the Lifter LMS, then it also has a free version, more than 10,000 active installations, and it has a pro version, so it's a well-known company. Now, before you go, currently there are more than 59,000 WordPress plugins, and finding the awesome ones can be a hassle. Therefore, I have made a separate video about top 5 new WooCommerce plugins to try today. This video is on the screen right now, so be sure to take a look at it next. In the meantime, take care.